Doing a little quick ammo update from Walmart. 7.62, 223, 5.56, 22 Magnum, no 22, 9mm, 38 Special, 357 Sig, 44 Mag, 380 Auto, 40 Smith & Wesson, 40 Smith & Wesson, more 40, 410, 45 Auto. Whoa, I should pick up some of those boxes. 44 Colt, 45 Colt, my bad. 12 gauge, and a lot of your hunting rounds. It's never really been a shortage. Now I'll just give you a quick update of other supplies, a tour of the place. Pretty stocked up on our cleaning stuff. A lot of the value packs of the 12 gauge. 30 bucks a pop, not too bad. Got your slings, all your fun target stuff. Get to shoot. My daughter being silly. All your range bags. Your ears and your eyes. All different attachments you could put on guns. Your mace, flashlights for shotguns, flashlights for pistols. Help reload your mags. Attachments still on there. A lot of Black Hawk stuff. Flip over on the other side. You got your scopes, hunting stuff, duck stuff. That's a good scope. I got that from one of my ARs. Love it. For my AR. Reloading stuff. Powders, hammers, bullets, dyes, more bullets, RCB, reloading stuff, your books, and for all your paintballers, paintball, CO2 cans, mask, airsoft guns, more airsoft guns. That looks fun. The airsoft stuff. The ammo. No shortage on that ammo. Or little targets. Everybody should have a slingshot. They're fun. You pretty much pick up the ammo anywhere. It's a rock. BB guns. Pellet guns. Little books. And here's just the sporting rifles we carry. There are quite a few here. It's not the bigger selection, but we still have some. Go slow if you want to see a price. And then can't forget about the shotgun people. So all your shotguns. That looks fun right there. Rossi. Man, love to shoot one of them. Alright. Then your bow stuff. Come back and there's the ammo. Alright, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, thumbs up, add to favorites, share with friends, do all that good stuff. Leave a comment if you got any questions. Let me know how your Walmart's doing. Alright, peace out.